everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be showing you how I created these Day of the Dead nails. So for these Day of the Dead nails, all of the nail art is supplied from JellyNails. And I will leave a link with my coupon code down below so you can go check out her shop. But to start off this look, I have my nails filed ready to go. Gonna start out with Madam Glam's Perfect Black. I'm gonna paint this on my pinky and my pointer finger. Then I'm going to go in with Madam Glam's Amour, which is a red, not bright, not dark red, just kind of like a basic red. I'm going to paint this on my middle finger. This is also going to go on my thumb. Now we're going to go in with Cream Donut from Madam Glam. This is going to be on the ring finger. I almost went with a white, but I decided I did want a cream or off-white color, so I went with Cream Donut. I go ahead and do a second coat of all of the colors. Now I'm going to go in with Light Elegance's Phoenix Rising. This is a bright matte red glitter. I'm going to do a glitter ombre on the black nails. So we have the red glitter fading into the black. Gives it a super spooky look. I feel like Day of the Dead looks are always that traditional red, black, and white or cream color. Now to go in with the nail art, I will be using the Blossom Gel from JellyNails, as well as the Striping Gel Brush number 10, which is a black. So I'm going to go ahead and take my palette here. I'm going to place some of the black striping gel on my palette. I'm going to take the Blossom Gel. I'm going to do a layer of this on top of my middle finger. We're going to create a blooming rose. Now I do have a separate video up for a blooming rose tutorial, but I'm going to go ahead and walk you through this as well. So I had already put down the Blossom Gel, and now I'm going to take my striping gel brush and I'm going to do a dot in the center, and then I'm going to create the petals going around. And as you're placing the gel down, it does spread because it is a blooming gel, so it is going to spread and create that really pretty rose look. And this gives it almost like a bleeding rose type of look because you have that bright red in the background and you're putting that black rose on top of it. Now going in with some sticker decals. This pack is from the Ultimate Fall goodie bag. Definitely check that out before it sells out. It's got some amazing goodies in it. I'll link my video of my haul of that. But I'm going to go ahead and pick out a sugar skull, and I went with this one that is a full face and hair as well. I'm going to place this in the middle of my ring finger. And I'm using my tweezers with a cuticle pusher on the end. So I'm going to place it down with the tweezers and then use the cuticle pusher to flatten out the sticker. And I'm going to go in with a black gel paint. I want to add some extra detail to the nail with the sticker decal on it. I want to create like a frame. Because for people who celebrate Day of the Dead, they do put out photos of their loved ones who have passed away. If you have seen the movie Coco, like they create that whole setup with candles and picture frames of their loved ones and create a whole scene with it. So that's kind of the vibe I was going for. So I'm going to create like a frame around the sugar skull and give it some detailing and make it look very classy. And now I'm gonna go in and pick a spider from the spider charm pack. I'm gonna do the black one. I just thought that this design needed something a little bit more, and I feel like this black spider kind of ties in the design with the red and the black. I'm gonna take my cluster adhesive gel from JellyNails, and on the back of the spider, I'm going to put down the gel. I'll use the tweezers to apply the spider charm onto the corner of my pinky. And now I'm going to go ahead and top coat all of my nails. And I do recommend top coating the sticker decals twice just to seal them in place. And here's how my Day of the Dead nails came out. I think they came out amazing. I love the red and the black all mixed together in different forms. And then of course you have that sugar skull, the face painted. I loved how these turned out. You guys will have to let me know in the comments what you think of this design. And if you celebrate Day of the Dead, I would love to know. Again, I will leave my code up on the screen and a link to her site down below. Definitely go check her out for all nail art supplies. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!